Good morning. Today I'm going to let you know where the top performing neighborhoods were in the city of Guelph for the month of April 2019. So let's take a look at where they are and we'll see if your neighborhood is among the top performers. The neighborhoods with the largest median sales price gains for April of 2019 relative to April of 2018 were number 1, Onward Willow with a 35.7% price increase, Victoria North with a 34.4% price increase, and Pineridge Westminster Woods with a 26.7% price increase. The fastest selling neighborhoods when looking at median days on market are General Hospital sitting at 10 days, and then tied for second place is Onward Willow, Downtown, Grange Road, and Exhibition Park, all selling within 13 days in the month of April. Now there you have it. Hopefully your neighborhood made the list, but if not, I've attached the full neighborhood market report below. And if you'd like to discuss your neighborhood in more details or the real estate market in general, please feel free to give me a call. I'd be happy to help you out.